So I made a video a little over a year ago about Spider Halo headlights. And a lot of you were very vocal on how you felt about my opinion of Spider Halo headlights. Granted, yes, I don't personally have any experience with Spider Halo headlights. I've also got a pair of eyes, so if I see something I don't like, I should be able to say that I don't like it. With that being said, a lot of you felt the need to bring up the fact that I didn't offer a good solution or a good alternative to Spider Halo headlights. Even though I went on for about a minute and a half on all the different brands and people you can talk to in order to find good aftermarket headlights. So I did something I've wanted to do for a while, and I bought Retrofit headlights, like you should. These are good headlights. The man, the myth, the legend, Todd Larsch is the one that assembled these for me, and this is what we're going to be working with today. What we have here are actual Retrofit headlights with their own controller here and individual power supplies going to both of the different headlight rings. Now Todd, the guy that assembled these headlights and built them for me, sent me a very, very good video on how everything works here. So I'm gonna run you guys through it really quick, just so you can see it as well. This inner one is the 140 millimeter halo. This is the 150 millimeter halo. You can see here, this is the factory wiring harness for the turn signal, both up top and on the side indicator. We come underneath. This is the marine hardware, again, watertight, that then goes into these two. Both of these are then tied to the individual drivers for each halo. These then plug into this connector that comes into the controller that then plugs into the power. So this is the controller, again, completely waterproof, that you can download an app on your phone, you can change all the colors, and then you can set up the controller things to make it, you know, the DRL, daytime running lights, and the white. And here, because I wanted a little extra functionality, we're then going to tap this, having two yellow wires for the two different halos. That way, when we turn on the turn signal, it goes from whatever color I have it set as, so it can be, you know, purple, green, or orange, not red or blue, because that is illegal. It will then turn it to the amber color from the controller, and then it'll turn off again whenever I turn off my turn signal. That has to be tapped into this signal wire, that way the signal is sent through the wiring harness and then into the halos. And this, we're gonna have to find a chassis ground that we can tie this to. So there's a couple different ground points we're gonna have to look for. Again, one being for the actual main power source, one being for this, and then, I don't know, we'll see if there's another one. And everything is replicated over to the second headlight. These just need to tie over from the passenger side to the driver's side into the controller with these little like pigtails that come off of it. What we're gonna do before we make anything permanent is we're gonna pop the hood and see if we can find the ground points that we're gonna connect to. So I'll see you under the hood of the car. All right, so this is kind of a problem. They're just turning on, so let me get that bug fixed really quick, but man, these things are freaking bright. Oh my God, let me change the color really quick. There's like a cool kind of teal color. Yeah. Yeah. There we have more of a blue. Yeah, so, you know, illegal. This is purple. It's kind of coming off as more of a red, but yeah, it's purple. And then this is actually yellow. This is closer to like the kind of amber color. Right, and then here's kind of what I was looking for. So right now, it's actually only getting power through that. So I'm wondering when I reconnect the turn signal if I don't need to just pull power from everything. So I'm gonna switch those around really quick and I'll get back with you guys. Well, so I did an oopsie. You know what happens when you assume, right? I just got done messaging Todd and he confirmed that this brown wire is the wrong wire. So this is literally just a ground. Black is actually power, and then red is the signal wire. We're gonna retry this really quick, and now I'm going to snip this red wire and reconnect the yellow into the red. And bang, just like that, we got her all tapped in. Let's take to this bad boy and see how she turns out. Cool, got those hooked back up. So let's turn on the car and see what happens. Jesus, that is super bright. Hold on, let's see if we can. There we go. So now what we should be able to do, from just the white, turn on the turn signal, flashes amber, and that's what I was wanting, and it looks wonderful. Then we turn it off, comes back on white. And then now that the two bolts are taken out of the side, I just have to take off these top clips here, and then I should be able to just pull it out. From there, then we just have to unplug the headlight housing and then the turn signal as well. And with the power of editing, 25 minutes later, she's free. Now, we just have to do this all over again with the second headlight. I got it. All right, and the last thing we need to knock out really quick is these headlights. We gotta wipe them down because they are dirty, and tape does not like to stick to dirty headlight lenses. So we're gonna go and wipe these down really quick, and we'll apply the eyelids. And that right there is headlight complete. Look at that. This is a look I've been looking for a while, man. Right, I'm gonna wait till it's a little bit darker so you can really see it in full effect, but man, this looks super duper cool. I can't get over that. This shot right here is the shot I've been waiting on for years. Look at that, man. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. I love that so much. Yeah, now that it's a little darker, you really start to see these colors shine through. Man, oh man. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. If you'd consider subscribing, click over here. If you want to see what YouTube recommends you watch next, click over here. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys next time.